What should you listen for real estate success? Hello all, it's Gregory Martire, local team leader here in real estate, talking today about what you should listen for. So you're going to listen to your heart, okay? You're going to listen to yourself, listen to your gut. Now that has to do with you, but listen to how you're feeling. Listen to your gut. Listen to yourself. When you're talking to prospects and leads and clients, what should you listen for? It's one letter or three letters. It's why. What is the reason why? They want to move to such and such neighborhood. Why? We have to move by April. Why? Here's what we're looking for in an agent. Why? Listen for why. I'm not saying don't hear what, but why is what important? That's what you need to listen for. You find out why, you can help them much faster, greater. And if you're listening to yourself why, well, maybe you did a little soul searching and it'll help you out too. If you found this helpful, I'd like to know why. Hit me up a comment there. While you're hitting up things, hit subscribe, hit like, and hit that bell notification. We do put out a lot of epic content here, a lot of helpful hints in real estate land. Gregory Martire, glad to do it. Have a great day.